Make a great choice today with the 2023 300. The Chrysler 300 combines sport and luxury in one unique and powerful package. If you're looking for elegance and performance, the 300 delivers. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, rear wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, driver illuminated vanity mirror. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.